morning in the freaking morning, guys. Yes, this is how I wake up. You guys are coming with, wow, I look horrendous. We are going to be going to the gym and taking a 3-mile walk with one of my best friends. My hair looks absolutely insane. Yes, I just woke up. Yes, I overslept 30 minutes. And what about it? I only have 5 minutes to get ready. So I'm gonna go and start doing my coffee and my eggs and some Greek yogurt with fruits. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I will see you in a little bit. World, hold on. So let me introduce you guys to the one and only Camila J.
Guys,
Yes.
what's poppin'? What's up, you too, yo?
We're on the way to the gym right now, and if you don't know Camila, then you clearly don't know me. So basically, Camila and I have been friends since 6th grade.
Like,
Since we were 11. We are now 20. Woo! We are adults now, and we are doing adult things. We have been gym partners for a little while now. She keeps me motivated, I keep her motivated, sometimes suicidal.
it's fine.
It's okay.
It's fine.
It's an effort, and it's like a relationship with the one. Oh!
Old man.
Goodness!
Oh.
How are you gonna hit a Yui and then cut me off too? I don't understand. Love y'all. Bye. You're going to war, let's go. Yo, mama, what's up with your left?
Guys, last set.
Girl, you was pretty, pretty, pretty.
Huh? You forgot how to count? Shit, you were at 7. You were at 6 or 7?
Aqui vai te dar 7 bagulho, tem que ser assim. 7 bagulho, 7 bagulho, 7 bagulho, 7 bagulho, 7 bagulho, 7 bagulho, 7 bagulho.
Get the fuck out of here! I'm not grabbing that. It's no way. No. Camila! I think you gotta grab it. Look, it put its head down. Oh my god, it's dying. Guys, if my car gets stolen, I'm starting a GoFundMe. Oh my goodness.
You have to move.
Maybe if I poke it in the butt, it'll like activate. Do you think? No. You're testing the ways of life right now.
Okay, boom. I need to wash my sweater.
Yeah, you need to wash your sweater. You need to wash everything. Your well-being, your aura, your vibrations. Yeah, you're gonna have to wash that sweater.
Yeah.
Sweater weather.
Wait, how does the song go?
Sweater weather.
It's so cold.
Cold for you here. Bad bitty walk incoming. In 3, 2, 1. Sorry. The bad bitty walk has commenced. So right now,
Times are changing.
times are changing. We're passing by our middle school, actually, where we met. Like, we're actually adults now.
I was gonna say that I have like this very vivid memory of like Daniela and I at PE, and then here,
Watch your words, ma'am.
So we were at PE. I was like, wow, like because we just became like really good friends at that point. Like we could have been friends for like even longer. And I was like, you know what? We're gonna make up those years. Like, don't you worry. And we've surpassed that.
We've surpassed those years. Like, every year, Camila and I would have like 6 classes together. It's like they
Yeah.
knew that we needed to stick to one another. And then senior year, I left. Yeah, it was a hard time, y'all. Being
Yeah,
away
left.
from the snickerdoodle pancake.
Oh, my little pumpkin pie.
And oh, caca. Oh, yes, we hit a mile, guys. Woo! So we run. We're running. Run! Run! Why are you not running? Oh, it's the walking sign was on anyway. Bro, I'm too dramatic. I feel like I have a bad habit of like beeping at people. Like I know people feel uncomfortable when they get beeped at while they're on the sidewalk, but I do it as an experiment. I mean, you've been there.
Yeah.
Like it could be a mother of three
And you beat.
walking on the sidewalk, and I will beep. Like just, you know, it either makes them uncomfortable or keeps them pushing. Like maybe they're like, damn, maybe I am looking good. Let me walk. Let me keep walking. Like they were about to turn into their house and go inside and be like, I'm done. But they got that beep and they were like, I gotta keep moving.
You are fully motivated. Go on TikTok right now.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Right now.
I'm literally a motivator. Like I don't even need to speak to them. I just need to beep at them. Write it down. Write it down. Oh, caca. Oh, that caca was really dark. They're only eating pebbles. So.
I know that's right.
I know that's right. Thank you. 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 God, I feel like Pocahontas right now.
You should do this. Don't fall. Don't fall.
Don't fall now. I feel like an ant right now with like these two hairs in the front like flying. My antennas are just like sensing the area. Oh. You know this is where I voted?
You voted here?
Yeah.
I voted it.
Oh my god. And you remember the iPrep teacher from our middle school?
Yeah.
Yes, bro.
It was, like,
She was the one
Be nice. I'm finding it.
monitoring the voting.
Oh.
She was like, oh my god, I remember you. I was like, oh, I remember
Wow.
you. I was like, I remember you. In my life living hell in iPrep. They had like a whole room for iPrep. And it was just, you
It was
learn
like-
it on
yeah.
your own.
You
Like,
do math on your own.
and I'm not an on my own type of person. I've always been a group. And wow, that was so bad. Like it was literally everybody just doing a whole bunch of tomfoolery in that class. And the thing is that we didn't have AI at the time. So we actually had to do the math on our own.
Pre-AI.
Pre-AI, like it was just photo math
BA before AI.
before AI. Wow, that's so bad. I can't say that either. No, you can.
Oh, okay,
I
okay.
think so.
Okay.
Guys, are we allowed to say BA?
Before AI.
Is that offensive?
I don't think so.
Well, leave it down in the comments.
Oh my god.
Leave it down in the comments, guys. We're learning. This is not a veggie sandwich.
Hey, okay. Way too much energy.
I feel like this always happens though. Like every time we spend more than like 3 hours together, we start to like, progressively like lose our minds and like just stim.
But that's so beautiful. Our friendship.
Power of friendship. I've
So you
tried
don't-
it and then like it's just like my house is so nearby that I just like wanna.
Well, not with me here.
What?
Yep, that's right.
Chat.
Sí se puede.
Chat. Leave down in the comments. Leave down in the leave down in the comments if you would like Camila to go home after the 2 miles and 80.
No,
No.
we got goals to accomplish.
Summer bodies are made in winter.
Hey,
That's what I'm talking about.
that's damn right. All right, we will check in at mile 3, and we will have the proof.
Bye,
scared.
guys.
Hey, we did it! Zoom in on here if you could see. Over 3 miles shortly. But, told you we do it. Our feet really hurt.
Yeah, I forgot to change my shoes before going on the walk, and I went in my gym shoes, and I'm in so much pain right now. While we were outside, like the wind was blasting on us, and then now it's just like really, if you can't tell, but now it's like really hitting us right now.
Yeah. Like at one point, it was like that one scene, inside right here, of like the Frozen, like, oh, the
Men are fighting. So
Yeah.
thank you guys for coming with us.
Very fun day.
Very fun morning. Might I add, it's
Dare you say morning.
Dare I say. You guys will see us again eventually. Stay safe, go on walks, and don't do drugs, guys. Love you
And
guys.
stay away from falling iguanas.
Stay in school. We love you. Stay safe. See you later, alligator.